All right, so for checkpoint 4, we have our second word work, which is titled Word Work 3. So for Word Work 3, we'll click on it. It'll take us to our PowerPoint presentation. And it's going to look very similar. It's going to look very similar to our first word work, which was Word Work 2. All right, so for Word Work 3, okay, again, we have our vocabulary words. So just like in Word Work 2, you read the sentence and then you give your guess on what you believe the word grace to mean right here. And you would put that and type that in where it says definition. So you would read that sentence and then you would give your guess at your definition and then you look up the actual definition. And if it matches up with your definition, just keep your definition. If it's very different than your definition, then copy in the correct definition for each vocabulary word. So these are all our vocabulary words. You'll copy in the definition for each one, either keeping your guess if it's accurate or changing your answer to the correct definition. Homophones, you'll put images in like Word Work 2. Freyer models are the exact same. Okay, so you're finding words that are very similar to grace and words that are very, very different or the opposite of grace. Same thing with mercy. You'll write your own sentence using this word. So not one of the synonyms, not one of the antonyms, using the word grace. Same thing for mercy. Same thing for all of the words. Spite, disdain, and scorn. Morphemes and spelling. Okay, so this right here, we are adding suffix ful, full. So, and the definition is full of or having, right? So if the base word is beauty, and the word ends in a Y like beauty does, you're going to change the final Y to an I, then add the suffix. So it's very similar to our first one that we were dealing with. So if we have beauty, we take the Y out. We take the Y out and we add an I. Apologies for that horrible noise. One of my roommates is probably cooking something. So we'll take the Y out, we'll add an I, and then we'll add our suffix ful, which gives us beautiful. And you'll do that for plentiful, merciful, wonderful, and sorrowful. So in this instance, you are identifying the base word. So if the spelling word is beautiful, then our base word is beauty. The spelling word is plentiful, then our base word is plenty. Let's see if you can do the other three. All right. Next one, practice morphemes and spelling. You'll retype the spelling word across the row. So beautiful, you'll retype 4 times. Plentiful, you'll retype 4 times, and so on. With our practice, morphemes and spelling, you'll change all of these words into words that have the suffix ful. So wonder turns into wonderful. Harm turns into harmful. Remember, if there's a Y, you change the Y to an I and then add the ful. Number 14 is a challenge. Good luck. All right, then you'll have some challenge turning these words into adverbs. And again, like I said, for the first word work, adverbs typically have ly at the end. So you add the suffix ly to make a verb, to make an adverb, excuse me. So vengefully, scornfully, and so on. And now here we're dealing with conjunctions and coordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. So a conjunction is a word that joins, so conjunctions connects words or groups of words to each other. Coordinating conjunctions joins 2 words or parts of a sentence. So and, but, or, nor, for, yet, so are examples of coordinating conjunctions. And then correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunctions that join words or word groups that are used in the same way. So both, ... and, either, ... or, neither, ... nor, and so on. It's so important that you use this slide to help you with slide 12 and slide 13, because slide 12, you're going to be identifying and underlying coordinating conjunctions, and you'll use the drawing tool. You'll use the drawing tool to do so. So underline the coordinating conjunctions, and then here you'll underline the correlative conjunctions, and there's always going to be 2 underlines per sentence here. All right, best of luck.